George, where's the car?
I'm sure it's been safely towed by now.
Oh, God. George, George, George.
Don't worry. Don't worry. In many ways, it was the perfect end to the day. Except for those poor children in the trailer. They actually look quite frightened. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Once it's published in the company newsletter, there'll be absolutely no point. Right. Call for a lift. Would you like to have your nails done? Hollywood tan, perhaps?
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come fly with me, let's take off in the blue. Once I get you up there,